Need some cleaning hacks to speed up your routine? Brillo pad your shower doors. Yes! Wet a Brillo pad and clean your glass shower doors. It cleans the soap scum and water spots for faster and easier cleaning. It cleans the soap scum and water spots faster and easier. Don't worry, it won't scratch the glass. Here's a pro tip. Every 3 months, apply Rain-X to help repel water spots. Are your kids' fingerprints all over the fridge? Use a drop of olive oil or even baby oil on a paper towel to shine the stainless steel and get rid of any fingerprints. Buff in the oil and wipe off any excess with a clean paper towel. This is my favorite tip. Do you have smelly sports gear that can't be washed? Maybe a helmet? Try putting it in an extra large freezer bag and place it in the freezer overnight. The reason the sports gear is smelly is because of bacteria. The 0-degree freezer will kill the bacteria and eliminate the scent.
Thanks for supporting my mom. Want more cleaning tips? Let her know in the comments below. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to her YouTube channel. We will see you next time.